Wenchi Eco Lodge. Wenchi Lake is the most exciting place ever, and somehow still unseen. Hidden inside a volcanic crater, wrapped in silence and beauty. This place doesn't just exist, it reveals itself. This video will make you see Wenchi like never before. The journey begins at the entrance, calm, elegant, welcoming. From the very first step, Wenchi Eco Lodge tells you one thing: you've arrived somewhere special. More than 20 unique accommodations, each designed to blend with nature, not compete with it. Here, every stay feels personal. Curving roads, greenery on both sides. The roads don't rush you. They guide you slowly through trees, hills, and fresh mountain air. Wood, stone, water, and mountain. Architecture in perfect conversation with nature. Balconies painted in vibrant orange and yellow, adding life and warmth to the cool mountain atmosphere. From another angle, the view hits differently. Lake below, mountains ahead, peace everywhere. Local stories live here. Art that reflects culture, history, and the soul of Wenchi. From above, the lake feels endless, a mirror of the sky inside a volcanic crown. From the lake shore, the lodges look tiny, proof that nature is always the main character. Dine with nothing separating you from the view. Just glass, light, and the lake breathing in front of you. Small islands float quietly, each one a mystery, waiting to be explored. Wide crater reveal. A lake born from fire, now resting in peace. Wenchi is beauty shaped by time. Every side tells a different story. Luxury reveal. Privacy, space, and unmatched views. This is where comfort meets exclusivity. From the rooftop, the world feels bigger, and your worries feel smaller. Evening ambiance. A unique outdoor dining experience, where geometry meets nature. Wide interior. For gatherings, stories, and moments that bring people together. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting places.